This is not financial advice. My people, dreamers, welcome back to the show. Listen, one of my favorite ETFs, my favorite leverage ETF of NVIDIA, which is ticker symbol NVDL, just had a 3-to-1 stock split. Now, this is not your typical stock split where you go in, buy up shares to hold it long term. This is not that. This is on a leverage ETF, which is NVDL. This happens because, it gives us the opportunity to buy a couple of these shares at a cheaper price. These shares need to be cheaper than the original stock price of NVIDIA. Sometimes these shares begin out of hand and they become almost the same price as the original stock. But with NVDL, they had a 3-to-1 stock split, which is perfect for us because it gives us a very cheap, well, not very cheap, well, it gives us a cheap opportunity to get in on a couple of these plays for under 25, 27, sometimes under $20. It all depends. You know what I'm saying? We gotta let this thing play out. So if you have a smaller account, one of my favorite leverage ETFs just gave us the opportunity to start printing some money. So listen, on NVDL this year alone, I made close to $5,000 in pure premium alone, $4,941 in pure premium alone on NVDL, which brings us to a total overall from all of our stocks this year at $23,458. And this is before June even ends. So if you want to learn how we're making $6,000 in a month, $3,000 in a month, $1,600 in a month, $3,400 in a month, I highly consider that you guys come right here. Join the dream team. It's 4 spots left. I teach the wheel strategy in fact, it's half off. It's half off. I teach the wheel strategy every single Sunday. We have Zoom calls. I go live every Sunday. I like to keep the class sizes small. Just had a bunch of people sign up. So I'm not going to increase the spots for any time soon until I see how the Zoom calls go to see if they're still manageable or if I have to just end it completely, like cut off all new spots. If it's still manageable, I'll keep 4 spots open. If it's not manageable, I'm gonna close these 4 spots. So take advantage of this opportunity if you can. I teach you guys how to sell cash secure puts, cover calls, how to find the options, how to roll your options up and out, how to roll your options down and out, all everything that you need to know about the wheel strategies to start generating some extra income. And in this video, I'm gonna give you guys play by play, like step by step, my strategy that you could follow, that you could do yourself on NVDL, the leverage of NVIDIA, and how you can start to generate some extra income every single month. Now, I'm gonna show you guys some monthly plays in this video that you can follow step by step. So with that being said, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that notification bell because that helps out this. Don't even hit the thumbs up button, hit that notification bell because that helps out this channel more than you guys possibly even imagine. And if you guys do want a more in-depth on the wheel strategy, what I'm showing you in this video, I do have a live webinar. If you guys missed it, I had a webinar. It's about 1 hour and 13 minutes long. I go into even more details that I'm going to talk about in this video. This video is going to be, 15 or 20 minutes long. This was 1 hour and 13 minute webinar. It's unlisted. You can't find it on YouTube. If you want it, I'm gonna leave a link down in the pinned comment section talking about webinar or something like that. Click that, any information, I'm gonna send you the unlisted video and you guys can watch it, rewind, pause, take notes, everything. That link is gonna be down in the pinned comment section. But anyways, let's hop over to NVD. Now here we are on NVDL. You guys can see right here on Friday, it just happened. They had a 3-to-1 stock split on Friday. It just happened. And it's at $27.59. And we've been selling cash secure puts on NVDL, collecting up thousands of dollars over the course of the last 6 months, right? Now, this is the 1 hour chart, and this is the Bollinger Bands that we use within our Patreon community. And as you guys can see, it's giving us a pretty doggone good opportunity. It had a high of $43 per share. I think before the stock split, it was around like $126 per share. And then with NVDL, the leverage of NVIDIA is now $27.59 after the 3-to-1 stock split. So you still got to give the market a little bit time to adjust. The stock prices is going to be a little bit weird. They might say like 0.33, like $25.33. There's going to be some weird options for the first couple of months. Got to let it play out. Let all those options expire, and then we could get in on some good prices again. I mean, some nice even number prices again on NVDL, but you guys don't have anything to worry about. I'm going to walk you through it now. With NVDL, let me show you guys step by step. This is the 1 hour chart. That means we will be looking for weekly plays. If you have time, or if you got time to look at the market, you're not a busy person. If you're not watching this while you're at work right now, you are watching this while you're at work right now, you probably don't want to do weekly plays. You want to do monthly plays. And I can show you how you can still generate some decent income for monthly plays. So let's switch over to the 4 hour chart. That is the big thing. That is the huge thing. When I switch over to the 4 hour chart, now I'm looking for monthly plays on NVDL. I'm gonna show you guys what I use. Whenever it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, like it is right now, so that is a check. What it's gonna do is gonna take the last averages of these charts. It's gonna make this blue line right here, which is gonna be your averages. It's gonna give you a plus or minus standard deviation of 2, which is gonna be the red and greens lines. And usually when prices at the top of the Bollinger Bands, they have a pullback. And usually when prices at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, they use it as a support and go back up to the top. So whenever you see price at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and then the second thing we're going to look at is that it's oversold on the RSI indicator. So it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and it's oversold on the RSI indicator. That usually is a strong support zone, and price usually start to trend back up. But with NVDL, I do not mind getting assigned shares. I'm gonna show you guys the delta that I use. So right now, just looking at the charts on the 4 hour chart, it's at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and it's oversold on the RSI indicator right here. So it hits two of the 3 of my system points that I like to follow, so that you guys can follow along if you want to learn more. If you want to learn how to set all this up, it's inside the Patreon. It's hitting 2 of these points, so I'm comfortable doing a month-long cash you could put on NVDL. I usually do weeklies on NVDL, but I really don't mind getting assigned shares of an AI company that's the leader of the AI sector at a cheaper price. Right now it's at $27.59. So what we're gonna do, let's hop over to Robinhood. So here we are on Robinhood. You guys can see that NVDL is at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. They did have their pullback. It's oversold on the RSI indicator. So the delta that I like to use on NVDA, regular NVIDIA, I would not mind picking up shares of NVIDIA at a 0.3 delta. That means I have a 70% chance that price would not pull back to whatever strike price I choose. When it comes to leverage stocks, I like to use any price point below a 0.2 delta. That means it's a little bit more risky when you're using leverage shares. So I use a lower delta, probably collect still a lot more premium than I would on the original stock, but it gives me a little leeway of getting assigned these shares. And if I do get assigned shares of NVDL, like I have before, I don't mind owning these shares for a swing and then start to sell cover calls on the way to the top. But we're only talking about the first step of the wheel strategy right here. Let's hit trade. We're gonna hit trade options and we're gonna go out a month. What's today? The 28th. Let's go out to the 30th. So the end of the month. This is a month-long trade. We're gonna be selling a put. Now let's look for any share price underneath a 0.3 delta. Now, like I said, it just had a stock split, so these numbers are pretty weird. It's a $26.67 put option, right? We're selling a put option saying that we want to buy these shares. All right, let's keep scrolling down. You guys can see that there's a 25 put, which is really cool. And then there's a 23.33 put. So let's click the 25 put right quick. The 25 put it's a 0.28 delta. It's a little bit closer, but let's look at the 23.33 put. This is an odd number. It's pretty weird. They just had this stock split. Got to give it enough time to play out. But 23.33 put option, there it goes. It has a delta of 0.25. This is about as close that we're gonna get to right now. So right now we're willing to sell. So right now we're willing to buy 100 shares of NVDL at $23.33. If we hop back over to this chart at $23.33, NVDL will have to fall from 28 all the way down to 23.33, which is below one of our support zones right here. So we have to fall 15%, which is kind of close, but I like it in this zone right here. Hopping back over to selling this cash you can put, you guys can see that the market price is at $1.78 or $178 when you're dealing with options. You're dealing with 100 shares. It would obviously change once the market opens. It still have to have time for it to adjust, for people to start buying up this oddly numbered option price right here. So all of these numbers is going to change by the time you get to this video compared to the people that I'm talking to on my Zoom calls on Sunday. But just looking at this right here, what is the percentage? We're going to hit sell. We're going to 168. You guys can see to break even, it would have to fall all the way down to $21.65. So coming back over here, it'll have to fall to $21 all the way down here, $21.65, because we are getting paid $168 in premium. So that is a drop of 21%. But anyways, yes, you guys can see it will have to fall all the way down to 21.65 in order for us to so-called lose on this trade after getting assigned these shares. If we get assigned these shares at all. 9 times out of 10, it's a 0.25 delta. That's a 75% chance that we would not get assigned these shares. We would just get to keep the premium and then do it again the following month. So if we get paid $168 and it's going to cost us $23.33 in premium to sell a cash you can put. So if you have an account size of around $2,000, $2,300, $2,400, you could do this wheel strategy on NVDL. Hit enter, multiply that by 100. That is a 7.2% trade in just 1 month. Insane. If you do that every single month times 12, that is an 80% gain in a year, right? So let's hop back over here and go to our calculator. If we start off with a $10,000 account and we're making 7.20% every single month, and we're going to do it for the first 3 years, which is 36 months. I know it says days. I know it says days, but imagine it says months right here. Imagine it says months right here. And we're going to do it for 36 months and we're going to hit calculate. So we start off with $10,000. We're bringing in 7.2% every single month. Let's scroll down. At the end of year 1, we can start to bring in an extra $1,546 every single month. At the end of year 2, we'll start to be bringing in $3,562 every single month. And that's kind of on par with what we're doing right now on 4,000, 3,000, 6,000, 3,000. Now, I've been selling options for the last 3 years, like really been hitting it for the last 3. I've been doing it for around 5 to 7 years, but I really just been boom at it every single week, every single month for about the last 3 years. So it does add up, it does calculate. That's how I know a 7% deal is really, really good, because if we do it for the next 3 years, you can start to bring in $8,206 every single month. Now, my goal by the end of the year is to hit my first $10,000 month. I could do it. I could do it, but right now I got a lot of money tied up in leap options. I could start to sell port cover calls. I could get to $10,000 a month, but I'm not going to chase it. Once it comes to me, it's going to come to me. I'm just going to let that sit there. But yeah, by the end of year 3, you can start to bring in $8,206 every single month. So this one trade that I showed you guys is a 7.2% trade. Now, these prices will change when the market opens. By the time you guys see this video, it could be a little bit more, it could be a little bit less. But I really don't mind getting assigned shares of NVDL at around $20. I get assigned shares of NVDL $20, I'm good. $23, I'm good. I'm fine. I get assigned those shares, I let it ride back up. I'm cool. But I like it that it's at a support zone on the RSI, on the RSI indicator. And I like that it's at a support zone on the Bollinger Bands, and it's hovering around the 200 MA on the 4-hour chart. I like that. That's cool with me. That's fine. If I get assigned the shares, I'm cool, because you only want to run the wheel strategy on companies that you do not mind getting shares assigned of. So once I enter this trade, I do not have to look at the market every single second of the day. I sit back, I enter it today, I check it back. Maybe I check on it once a week, see how it's doing. I could still do my job, still hang out with friends and family, take care of my kids, take care of your kids, everything like that. Just check, boom. It take me 30 seconds to check the market once a week and go back to work. It take me 1 hour a month to find all my trades, set it up, and then I can enjoy life. So if you've been looking for ways to make your money work for you, you at a good paying job and you just don't know how to make your money go out, your individual dollars and soldiers go out and make more money for you, you guys need to learn the wheel strategy. The easiest way to learn the wheel strategy is to check out the webinar. I went over some in-depth stuff inside that webinar. That link is going to be down in the pinned comment section if you want to check that out. But yes, if you do have a smaller account, this stock split will give you access to NVIDIA to run the wheel strategy on the video, which is absolutely amazing. Let me know what you think about this down in the pinned comment section. Was you a part of the webinar? If you were, tell me some things that I could have fixed in the webinar. I know the average view duration, I seen that, but some people stuck throughout from the beginning to the end. If that was one of you, let me know some things that I could fix in the webinar so the next one could be 10 times better, because I'm trying to give you guys, and the webinar was free, guys, so it was nothing that you could lose. It was absolutely free. So the next one is going to be free as well. So let me know some things I can fix, because I do want to make it better for all of my audience out there. So drop that down in the comment section. But if you could do me a huge favor, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you guys can possibly even imagine. But other than that, dreamers, I'm Zeke, bringing you Dream Green Conversations. And I'm out. Peace.